For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing some rope slash Senegalese twist. I don't really know what to call this because to me it's like Senegalese twist, except you're not doing starting with braids, but some people will consider this rope twist because it's large and you're not starting with braids. So I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna assume right now. For now, let's just go with rope twist. So I'm doing my triangular parting for this particular tutorial because we're gonna be doing like large twists. So you want your parting to be really nice and cute. So to slick down your hair, use your Shine and Jam product. What this is gonna do is make sure that the base of your twist is looking nice and slicked together and shiny. It just has like a very nice finished look at the base, like a very a very like silky, shiny, glossy look to kind of flow in with the twist. So it's really cute, and I like this product a lot because my client's hair is very straight. I'm not sure if she relaxed her hair or if her hair is just straightened, but she does have really straight hair, so using the Shine and Jam product really helps with that. As you can see, I'm always twisting to the right with my twist. I always twist to the right and then I crisscross, twist, crisscross, twist and crisscross, and keep doing this step until I get to the very bottom of the hair. When I get to the bottom, what I like to do is twist as far down as you possibly can and then tie like a small knot at the bottom. But as you're twisting, just make sure you dab some of that jam in your hand to make sure that her hair is nice and tucked, you know, inside of the twist, so that way her hair is not it's not sticking out. So that's what that jam is going to help you with. Just tap a little bit as you twist along and just use it to seal the ends to blend it with the braiding hair. For the braiding hair, I'm using Expression. I cut it in 3 to give me the longest length possible. Of course, because you're doing large twists, you still want to give it some length because it's awkward if you have large twists and short, you know, twists. It's a weird combo, so you want to add some length. So make sure you cut into 3 or 2 if you want it to be extra long. So yeah, add the Shine and Jam, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate the hair in half. After I've added that product to kind of smoothen the base of the hair, I just split her hair into 2 to prepare it for the twist. And then I take my braiding hair, place it right in between where I split the hair, twist one side of the hair that I separated, twist it to the right, flip it over, and then take the bottom, twist it to the right, making sure that I'm placing I don't know if it's my middle finger or my index finger. Make sure I'm placing that at the base where I want the hair to touch, and then just continue to twist and swap hands. Make sure as you're swapping hands, make sure you're twisting before you swap your hands, because if you just swap your hands without twisting it, what's going to happen is your twist is going to come undone. It's going to be very loose. So make sure you twist first and then swap hands. So twist, swap. It's almost like you're doing it at the same time, but you know, when you're first starting out, you may kind of have to like stop and go, but as time progresses, you'll be able to do it at the same time. So just kind of twist and then, you know, crisscross, twist and then swap. And don't forget to use your Shine and Jam to kind of blend the ends of the hair to the braiding hair, and just to kind of reduce the amount of flyaways that you have. But yeah, this hair is super easy. Like, it took me about 3 hours to do this look. Not even 3 hours, probably like 2 hours and some change. But yeah, let's just say 3 hours just to be humble. I'm so stupid. But yeah, you get the point. Yeah, it doesn't take long at all. Twist is super fast. It's faster than braids, which is why I love doing them. And because it's a large as well, so it's gonna be super duper fast. And if you prep your hair before your clients come, it's gonna make it that much faster for you and make the process like fly by so easy. So make sure you prep before your clients come. It'll save you time. You know, it'll make you seem like you're going super fast, you know, whereas you've already done most of the work before they came to their appointment. So always do some work down before they get there, so that way you're not spending so much time trying to do everything while they're there. You want to make their experience as short as possible. So you want to be quick, you know, efficient, and yeah, just get them in and out as fast as you can. This is, you know, yeah, you know, the shorter your visits are, the better the experience it is for your client, because it can go on about their day. And yeah, so don't forget to apply your jam as you go along, especially when you get to the ends of her natural hair. You want it to blend well with the braiding hair, so just make sure you apply as much as needed, and then continue to twist until you get to the bottom. For whatever reason, I didn't get the ends in the frame. I'm so sorry about that. I just got a new tripod, so I wasn't trying to mess with it, you know, while I was doing her hair, because this is her first time coming to me, so I wanted to make sure that the focus was really on her hair, not trying to film. So yeah. To her edges, make sure you reduce the amounts of hair that you use. You don't have to use the same size as you use that as the twist in the front, because you don't want her hair to break off. If you put hair that is too big and on the hairline, it's gonna break off her hair. So you want to make sure that the hair you're adding is almost as equal in density to her natural hair that you're about to braid. So you want to make sure that it's a perfect match. But yeah, you don't want to put hair that is too heavy on, you know, on her hairline. And her, if her hairline is like thin, for instance, you don't want to put hair that is too big, because her hair is gonna break off. So you just kind of choose the size of hair according to the density of her hairline. So hers is kind of like medium, so I tried to make the front parts of her hair medium sized twists as opposed to jumbo sized twists like the ones on the side, so just to kind of protect her hair in the process. So when you're done, just take a pair of scissors and trim any like flyaway hairs that you see. This part can be time consuming sometimes, and I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I get lazy with it. but just take your time and try and get as much as you possibly can. And then of course we dip the hair in hot water and just take a towel to drip off any excess water. And of course I like to apply my mousse. This mousse I just recently got helps with like moisture and shine, so it just gives the braid like, you know, some shine to it. So that's why I really like this mousse. And you know, of course what I like to do now actually is I take spritz and I spray it on the base of the hair. What this does is make sure that the base, especially if you're doing large braids or large twists, it's gonna make sure that that base is gonna stay together as stay put as long as possible. So just apply, you know, some spritz as much as possible, not as much as possible, but you know, as needed. And yeah, so for her hair, a baby hair's hair, ooh, can't talk today. For her baby hair, I'm just gonna be using my Cream of Nature Edge Control and just applying that on her baby hair to stick it down further. And I just added some accessories, some springs, some clips, and that's pretty much it. You can add some strings as you know if you want to, but you don't have to. I personally like this look with the gold what do you call it, springs and the clamps. I thought it just really added to the beauty of the twist, and you know, it just brought out the hair, you know, so it was just very cute. And yeah, that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for getting me to 80,000 subscribers. Like seriously, you guys are amazing. Don't forget to continue to share my videos. Like if you're new to my channel, welcome. Like I hope you stay, and I hope you like Team Glam by Mary for life. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, make sure you share, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to check my community tab, because I always ask questions like, you know, what videos you guys want to see. Make sure you're on there and let me know, because that's my way of talking to you guys and communicating. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a merry day and God bless.